We're going to be reading for the sign of Libra. Let's take next 24 hours. So what's really coming towards you? So let's see what's the current scenario. Let's pick up two cards for what's really coming. I'm sorry, my neighbor is doing something in their house. Split me one card for what's really coming towards Libra. What's the current scenario like between Libra and their soulmate? Okay, we have Queen of Pentacles here. So I believe that right now you guys are wanting to stay focused on yourself. If the connection that you are in is kind of one-sided, then I believe that right now your sole focus is going to be on yourself. You're going to just want to do what works for you or what's best for you. Okay, so what's Libra's current situation with their soulmate? Spirit, one card. What's Libra's current situation with their soulmate? I don't feel like you guys are fighting or anything as such. It's just that you are wanting to stay focused on yourself. I'm not saying that you won't focus on your partner or won't want to talk with your partner, communicate. It's just that you are wanting to keep yourself the first priority. That's it. Okay. Right now, again, we have Six of Pentacles. What's happening? I do feel that eventually after a break you guys put in effort and try to find balance in the connection. Even if right now things are not very much balanced, then I do see things moving forward in the right direction. That's towards more balance and more peace. Even if you guys are not communicating that much, I do feel that balance is coming in eventually. Even if your partner is not wanting to put in effort or you are not wanting to put in effort, I do see by the end of the day things are going to get normal. Okay, but I do feel that with Six of Pentacles you might feel that you are putting extra effort or you are doing that bit extra and they are not. Okay, we all feel like that sometimes. Okay, so how is Libra's soulmate doing right now? One card for them. Libra's soulmate. What's Libra's soulmate up to right now? Spirit, one card for that, please. Okay, Libra's soulmate. Right now, your person is dreaming about you. Okay, imagining, dreaming, fantasizing, whatever that shit is. I do feel your person is thinking a lot about you. They do think of long term with you. Okay, I have 10 of Cups here, bottomed up by the King of Cups. So this person does have feelings for you. If you go by other channel readings or other tarot readers, I do feel that this is a collective energy where Libra readings have finally turned out to be good or getting better. Okay, if you follow 786 Psychic Love 786 or Liberty Tarot, you know things kind of look similar, I would say. Okay, because the readings are getting better. Okay, so one card for how are they possible to come forward towards Libra now? How are they possible to come forward towards Libra now? Yeah, with Two of Cups, this person is very much coming in to offer you this true love. Okay, even if right now with Five of Pentacles you feel somewhat left out in the cold, or you feel like this person is not taking you that seriously, which is usually the Libra scenario, but I do feel like it's going to move in the right direction. Give it time. You know, you guys have gone through so much that it won't kill you to kind of be a little more patient towards your soulmate. Okay, so that's something I see for now. So let's see the energy now. So far so good, darling. I haven't seen any bad cards as such. With Four of Swords, you might feel like you should stay like away sometimes, or you know, or to find that peace and balance. Okay, but that does not mean you guys won't communicate. You guys might take some few breaks in between today or tomorrow, but that does not mean you guys won't communicate. Okay. With King of Swords, right now you are wanting to say something or speak something about what you truly want to say to this person. Okay, second card we have is the Fool card. So you are very much wanting to take that leap of faith, like that step forward in order to say something or do something. Okay, King of Swords is a card that won't hold back, that won't fear shit. Okay, very straightforward, just like me. Just kidding. With Seven of Cups, right now you want to clear the confusion. You do not want to stay confused. That's what I feel. Okay. So one card for Libra's current energy. What's Libra's current energy going to be throughout the day, Spirit? Next 24 hours. Libra soulmates. Give me one card for Libra's current energy throughout the next 24 hours. With the Justice card, you guys are going to stay focused on balance, getting your life back on track, wanting peace. Okay, if you feel someone is mistreating you or not really giving you what you deserve, then you're gonna pretty much ask for it. I'm not saying you're gonna beg for it, you're gonna ask for your equal right. That's what I feel. Straightforward. Okay. So one card for what's the overall energy gonna be like between Libra and their soulmate. What's the overall energy gonna be like between Libra and their soulmate? One card for what's the overall energy gonna be like between Libra and their soulmate. Right now with the Tower card, there are going to be some big changes that's coming in. Yes, you might have some small arguments in between, but that does not mean you guys are breaking up or falling apart. Yes, I believe that somewhat you guys might have fought over some issue, or there might have been a small thing that kind of blew up where you felt like they were not treating you right, or something happened that made you feel a little outside. Okay. With the Hierophant, you guys are wanting to stay focused on yourself. With the Hierophant, I also feel like you are going to pretty much, say what you want or say what you believe. I also feel in some which way that you are not ready to be that person who begs or who feels down in this relationship. You are going to literally put yourself up there, and you are not going to settle for breadcrumbs. That is Six of fucking Pentacles. Okay, so with Ten of Cups, I feel like even if you guys are fighting, this connection is not going down. It's going to move forward in the right direction. Take that from me. Okay, so why is your soulmate behaving this way? One card for why is the Libra soulmate truly behaving this way? Queen of Pentacles. This person is, I do not know, wanting to stay focused on themselves. They feel like you distract them in some which way. That's what I'm getting. Okay, that's what I'm getting through the cards. They are wanting to solely stay focused on their career, their finances. Okay. Top card is Eight of Wands. I do see messages coming in. It's just that this person might be a little busy in their work life. Do not get me wrong here. I believe your person is trying to stay focused on their finances for now. Okay. So how do they truly feel for you? One card for how does the Libra soulmate truly feel for Libra at the current moment? One card for how does the Libra soulmate truly feel about Libra at the current moment? Ten of Pentacles. This person wants a stable connection with you. They feel like you can give them that stable relationship, that stable connection, something that they can look up to, something that they can have forever with you. Okay, with the Judgment, they need to make some decision, darling. This person has gone through plenty of lessons in their past, karmic lessons, whatever lessons, and they need to learn their lessons. They need to not repeat it, rather learn and fix it. Okay, so give me one more card for what's their energy going to be like towards you. Libra, so much energy towards Libra for the next 24 hours. Right? Libra, so much energy towards Libra for the next 24 hours. Not sorry, 24 hours. I guess that something has happened, that this person is trying to stay away emotionally. Okay, I don't know, you guys might have said something that has hurt them, or they are going through some sort of arguments or issues in their personal life which is making them behave a little emotionally detached. I do feel that this person is feeling very hurt at the very moment. Okay, and this person is a little detached right now. So how are they going to be coming forward towards you now? One card for how is the Libra so much possible to come forward towards Libra now? Just like I told you, the next 24 hours this person might take few breaks, but that does not mean they are staying away or will stay away forever. Okay, communication is definitely going to come in, but they will take some timely breaks. Yeah, with the Lovers card, this person is eventually going to come in. Okay, I definitely feel communication coming in. This person will initiate or take the first action. Even if you guys are holding back right now, I see this person coming in. Okay, but give them time. Be a little patient with them. Right now, they are going through something that's kind of making them behave a little detached. Okay, so they are kind of going through some trauma issues or some issues. I do not know what, but something is definitely got their attention. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you, one card for Libra soulmates intentions towards Libra for the next 24 hours, spirit. Two of Cups again. Their intention is going to be to reconnect with you. Okay. Even if they have ghosted you or trying to stay away from you, I believe that you guys have fought or had some issue that kind of triggered you to stay away or to possibly stay emotionally detached. But something has happened or something will happen which is going to make you take a small break within the day, not like take 5 days off from each other within a day. But this person is going to come back. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards Libra? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards Libra for the next 24, spirit? This person, I might feel like they want you to miss them. Okay, from what the cards I'm getting right now, I majorly feel like this person wants you to miss them. Okay, if they are staying away from you, they are very much wanting you to miss them so that you initiate or take action towards them. This person is doing it intentionally. For some of you, selected few of you, I'd say that in terms of their action, this person is trying to get your attention. Okay, for some of you, this person might be a little confused regarding what has happened in the past, and they will take some time before opening up. But if it's not that, your person is doing it intentionally. Okay, your person has always had issues opening up. So if they are opening up, let them open up. Okay, don't really create unnecessary arguments for nothing. Okay, so one card for what can my dear Libras expect for the next 24 hours from their soulmate spirit? This person usually stays too focused on the past or what has happened in the past. When I mean past, it can mean yesterday or few months before. Okay. Yeah, this person is going to come back. I do feel for some of you, this person might apologize indirectly or directly, but this person will return today. Okay, that's what I feel. Okay, this is what you can expect for this person to open up emotionally a little, but they will eventually open up. Even if there's a small break that's happening, even if you guys are not communicating to the level or to the point that you would want, I feel this person is going to come back. Okay, so that's something I see. So where is this connection possibly moving forward? Where is this connection possibly moving forward? All good cards for now. Yeah, right now you guys are struggling to hold this connection together. You guys have other issues in your life. Your work life is another issue. You guys are trying to find you guys are finding it little difficult to manage everything. You guys have too much to basically give your attention to. Okay, but I eventually see you both wanting to hold this connection together. Okay, no one is quitting. Even if someone puts it out there, they are wanting to stay away or get away, don't give it more attention. Okay, I see this person very much returning. Even if you guys have fought today or yesterday and you feel like now this person is going to ghost me, no, they're going to come back. I see it coming. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting from Libras now? One card, what are they possibly wanting from Libras now? Right now with the moon card, this person has a lot of fears and insecurities. Right now this person might not be completely ready to to have a social connection with you, like a very much, make it official kind of a connection, they might want to take things slowly. They want you to be patient with them. They want you to not really force them to be doing something, or going in a certain way. They want to go with their own pace, so they want you to be a little more patient with them, majorly because of their past issues, of whatever they've gone in their past. I don't feel this person has had a very happening past. Okay, so in terms of action, what are they wanting from you now? If you guys have been hiding something from them, then this person might want to know what you are up to. Okay, if you guys are trying to stay away or ghost them, then this person might want to know what you are up to. That's also something I see. Yeah, with Wheel of Fortune, this person is very much wanting this connection to move forward. Okay, they are not wanting you to quit on them. They are very much wanting you to hold this connection together. And I genuinely feel like, yes, this connection is slow. Yes, it has taken a lot of time for it to come to this point. But that does not mean you should give up or stay away. I feel like this connection has the potential of going towards commitment. But yes, this person has issues. They have certain fears. You need to basically adjust, or hold them close, and like make them understand that you guys can work this out. Okay, I genuinely feel like this connection, this relationship has the potential of moving towards a solid commitment. Okay, with Three of Pentacles, I do feel like you both are wanting to make this work. It's not like you guys are quitting on each other. Even if you guys are staying away, that does not mean you guys are quitting. Okay, you guys have had your series of ego issues. That does not mean you're quitting. Okay, let's take love messages from your person. Love message from Libra, soulmate to Libra now. Okay, here we go. I need to focus on myself now. If this person has taken time off from you, this person is trying to stay focused on themselves, like their work life, career, family. Okay, one more card from Libra, soulmate to Libra, please. And personal readings are now open. You can go to my description section and book one if you need one. Okay, here we go. You're my person. Okay, and this person, even if they are trying to stay focused on themselves right now, that does not mean they are wanting to stay away from you. Yes, they might take a break, but that is not a permanent break. That's a timely break. Give me some time alone. Let me fix my shit. I'll come back to you. That kind of a shit. So if this reading resonated with you, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and if you are on Instagram, follow me on Libra Vibes Only. And if you are towards that spiritual journey, spiritual vibes thing, then follow me on Divine Soul Tarot. Thank you so much, guys, and please do hit the like button if it has resonated. Okay, so please support the channel. Thank you so much. Cheers.